Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make vinaigrette dressing with olive oil. Start by combining 3 parts extra virgin olive oil with 1 part acid like vinegar or lemon juice, add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and whisk until combined. Taste and adjust salt and pepper, then add a pinch of sugar if the vinegar tastes too sharp. Use immediately or store chilled for up to a week. Experiment with flavors to match your salad or meal. Try crushed garlic for a punch or grated shallot for milder savoriness, and balance intense vinegars with a teaspoon of honey or maple. Fresh herbs like basil or dill bring brightness, while a splash of soy sauce or balsamic adds depth. Taste as you go and tweak acidity, salt, and sweetness until it suits your palate, then drizzle and serve. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes in the kitchen a breeze with a glare-free screen and waterproof design, so you can follow steps without worrying about spills. It's lightweight for passing between cooking stations and stores thousands of cookbooks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For a stable vinaigrette, try whisking mustard into the acid first, then slowly add oil in a steady stream while whisking hard. If you prefer a richer texture, gently whisk in a soft egg yolk or a teaspoon of mayonnaise. Warming the acid slightly can help the oil incorporate more smoothly. Keep whisking until it thickens, then taste and adjust seasoning before dressing your greens or vegetables.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.